In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get rid of this audio icon next to time widget on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically this icon shows us that now a voice control feature is enabled on our device, and now I'm gonna show you how you can easily turn it off. To do that, we need to go to settings. After that, scroll down until you find accessibility. Oh guys, here it is, accessibility. After that, tap at voice control here. As you can see, it is activated now, and all we have to do is just turn it off. And as you can see, this audio icon has just been disappeared from here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.